Hey guys, it's Shania Michelle back again with another video. And today I'm doing another frontal wig install. I want to switch it up for you guys a little bit so you hear my voice and not just watch it with the music. But right now what you just saw was me prepping my client's skin with some alcohol and some skin protectant. Note, if your stylist doesn't use skin protectant on your skin before she applies the glue, you need to get a whole new stylist because your skin needs to be protected. Like, I have sensitive skin and I know I need to put that on, so I would do the same for my clients. But this is my wig that you guys been watching for the past 2 videos. You watched me pluck it, bleach the knots, you watched me dye the wig, and yeah, now it's time to apply it. So I'm using my bold hold glue as always. Of course, I always do nice thin coats, and that's how your frontal will lay flat. That's how it would be invisible. Like, don't we want it invisible? Yes, we do. So you need to apply thin coats of this glue. Go ahead and go to the other side. Thin coats. You want to mock where the wig cap is. See how I cut the wig cap? The glue should go around the client's actual hairline. Like, your client's hairline is not straight, it's curved some. So you don't want to apply the glue just straight across, because that doesn't even, like, that makes no sense. Like, why would you do that? I just don't. Why would you do that? So just continue watching and follow these steps. It is wig placement time, and we're just going to go ahead and slide that bad boy up onto the glue. Got it stuck some, but we're going to pretend like we didn't see that. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and melt it into her skin. I can't wait for you guys to see these results. Like, this wig install was so cute. But yeah, I always do start with the middle, pull the frontal down the middle, and then I go from side to side. So I'm just applying it on the glue. I'm gonna take that comb, use that back of that comb, and melt that lace into the skin. Like, yes, 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 yes. We love this. Other side. Pull it down. Like, just look at her hairline. Like, just look. Let's just take a second to look at the hairline. Like, it matches her hairline. Like, the wig looks exactly like her hairline. The way I plucked it, it just looks so beautiful. So we're gonna take that comb, do the same thing, melt that lace into the skin, and yeah. Like I said in the last video, I do go back in and pluck my client's hairline, because now I have a full visual of how the hairline should look. So I'm gonna go back and pluck the hairline. Let's get this thing looking right. Let's get this thing looking scalpy. That's not a word, but it's our word now. Scalpy. So any razor will do. Just make sure you pay attention to where the actual hairs is, so you don't cut off too much lace. But yeah, don't use scissors, and if you do use scissors, go in zigzag motions. But that's just too much work for me, so I'll just use a razor, because it's just faster. It's just better. Just use a razor. Doesn't they look like scalp? Excuse me if I'm wrong, but that thing looks pretty good. Not pretty good, really good. That thing looks really good. It is baby hairs time. Baby hair time. Baby hair time. I love, girl, y'all. I love baby hairs. Like, I will always do baby hairs. Like, I don't know. It's just something about doing baby hairs. And, like, I feel like that's what makes or break the style. And it's just how you cut them, how you swoop them. Like, that's just a whole separate video. Like, let me get that sideburn. Swoop. Swoop. Let me chill. All right. I'm gonna catch her back on this voiceover when I have more sense. So right now I'm combing out the baby hairs because I don't like my baby hairs looking stiff and dry and stuck to the forehead. So I always comb them out, give them that nice fluffy look. And yeah. Comb time. We gotta get them roots straight. We love straight roots, of course. Go ahead, press. Ooh, press, y'all. That thing looks so good. Press. I went ahead and curled her hair off camera. The install came out really good. I love the way the color turned out. I love the way the install came out. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.